Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we will discuss computers and controls. First one is the computers. Computer is an analytical machine which can compute arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Very first analytical machine was abacus. Abacus is a Latin word that has its origin in the Greek words abax or abacon, meaning table or tablet. Jacob machines are also considered as early generation computers. Mechanical computers were used to calculate large number with the help of mechanical gears combination. Relays were used to develop logic operations to control early age industry. Then vacuum tubes were developed. Vacuum tubes were used to replace relays and were used in the middle age computers. After the invention of transistor electronic industry, the electronic industry has changed rapidly through development of integrated circuit chips ICs. Recent age computers have wide variety of functions or operations including scientific tasks, entertainment, communications. Today, computers are getting smaller in size with increased capabilities day by day. This is the first one, the abacus computer. Then it is converted and changed into the Jacquard machine. This is a heavy, large machine first, and then the second computer, which was used in the 1950s and 1960s. Then the mechanical computer was developed, and after that the relay was developed, and relay then changed to the vacuum tubes in 1950s and onward. Then the vacuum tube based computers are like this. In the 1960s and the 70s, integrated circuit chips ICs were developed, and the first generation computers were like this, which were black and white. And in the 1970s and onward, this chip integrated, very large scale integrated chip was developed, and the recent computer is like this. This is the recent age computer. Electromechanical relay. Electromechanical relays have played a major role in the industrial automation sector for a long time. Relays have given the idea to develop PLC to automate the industry with the same programming logic which was already in use for electromechanical relay to automate the process industry. Car manufacturing industry was the first customer of PLC based control systems, and most of the industries were converted to relay logic. Almost all the designers and operators were trained to work with the relay logic. Any new control system having new control language was not acceptable for engineers and operators at that time. After the development of semiconductor technology, a modular controller was developed by a company named Modicon. Modicon developed first PLC, modular digital controller. A department of General Motors. This Modicon was a department of the General Motors. The programming language to program automation tasks was ladder language. This language is still very popular to program a PLC. This is a relay logic control system. This is a ladder, and this is the ladder programming. Ladder language compiler, just like a ladder. Electromechanical relays. First relay was developed in 1835. This is the first electromechanical relay. This is its coil, and these are the two input points which we connect with the input voltage. For example, 12 volt or 24 volt, or even if it is the AC relay, then AC voltage will be connected across it. When this energizes, this will push this 10 number pin to connect it with the 12 number pin. This is 10 and 11 are connected now, which is not energized condition. So current can pass from this 1 to 10, 11 up to 4 point. When this is energized, this pin will be connected with the 12 like this, and now the current can pass through this line. So this is the electromechanical first relay which was developed in 1835. Relay logic. Electromechanical relay, its logic is working like this. For example, if this is the battery and this is the switch, when we turn on the switch, then this coil will be energized and it will connect the pin 3 with this one common. It will connect with the 3 pin with this. It is now in the de-energized condition. This is connected, the 3 is connected with this pin. So when it is energized, then this thing, armature, will move forward, and this normally open contact will be broken. It will become, it is now here normally closed. It will become normally open here, and it is normally open here. It will be normally closed here. So this is the common in the center. This is the common. Like this is the relay, and this is its common pin. This is its normally open pin, and this is its normally closed pin. Which is in the actual relay is like this. This is normally closed, this is normally open, and the center, the pin placed in the center is its common pin. Electromagnet hai. This is electromagnet, normally closed and normally open. Relay logic panel is like this, which consists of many relays, a series of relays which are used to control a process, and relay logic and electronic gates. These are the electronic gates with its symbols in the ladder language and in the transistor circuits. This is the AND gate, this is the OR gate, this is the NAND gate, and this is the NOR gate. And in the transistor circuits, This is the circuit of AND gate, this is the circuit of OR gate, this is the circuit of NAND, and this is the NOR gate. Here these are the symbols for the AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, and NOR gate. Relay logic board. This is the relay logic board which were used in the previous days, and relays are connected like this with a diode to control a process. So this is the early history of the relay logic circuits, relays, and their control systems. Thank you so much for watching this video.